So hello guys, welcome back to Gettobyte, your one-stop platform to get knowledge and skill sets related to semiconductor and embedded oriented fields. From this course series, we are going to start with the automotive sector initially. We are going to emphasize on one of the most important automotive protocol, CAN protocol, hands-on learning with the industrial grade automotive microcontrollers. What is this course about? This course is on learning the CAN protocol using the hands-on practical via the automotive microcontroller. In this course, we will explore how to use the basic functionality of a CAN protocol so as to do the transmission and reception between two CAN nodes. We will go through the important concepts of CAN controllers like message buffer, mailbox, RX FIFO mechanism, along with the message ID filter table, acceptance criteria, RxTX mailbox. For doing CAN communication, we will understand about CAN protocol from a datasheet of an automotive microcontroller and understand how to read a CAN peripheral and its features and properties from a datasheet of a microcontroller. And we will also delve into the CAN software stack so as to understand what are the APIs that are used for doing the CAN communication, what are the different parameters you need to send on different APIs, what is the correct chronology of APIs, and how to do their GUI configuration in an industrial standard based automotive microcontrollers, so as to emphasize our learning much more on the skill set and industrial standard way.